Hello students, today we will study interphase nucleus. Before studying interphase nucleus, let us see what is cell cycle. It is a cycle when the cell prepares for the cell division and the actual division. When the cell prepares for the cell division is called as the interphase, and this is the actual dividing stage. Now what happens to the nucleus during these two stages? Now when the cell divides, the chromosomes are in highly condensed state, and when the cell undergoes interphase, the resting stage, the chromosomes are in highly coiled state, that is called as the chromatin network. So this is the basic difference between the interphase nucleus and the dividing nucleus. Let us see the structure of interphase nucleus. The nucleus of a cell, when it is not engaged in division, is said to be in resting or in interphase. During this stage, you will see that the nucleus is covered by two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Inside is present the fluid called the nucleoplasm. The membrane is having pores which are called as nuclear pores for the entry and exit of the molecules. It has a dense body called the nucleolus, and the chromosomes are in highly coiled state, and hence it is called as chromatin network. It has ribosomes on the outer layer as well as they are present in the nucleoplasm as they are synthesized in the nucleolus. Now here you can see the nucleus under compound microscope. Under compound microscope you cannot see the details of nucleus. They can be only studied under electron microscope. Then this is showing the outer membrane in continuity with the endoplasmic reticulum. We will study today in this presentation the details of nuclear membrane, the nuclear pore complex, the nucleolus and the chromosomes. Now these are the different parts of the nucleus: nuclear envelope, nuclear pore complex, nucleolus, chromosomes, nucleoplasm and ribonucleoprotein particles. Before studying the structure of nucleus, let us see the functions of nucleus. It is responsible for regulating the hereditary characters, and the chromosomes inside control the gene expression. The chromosomes control protein synthesis, cell division and differentiation. Nucleus reserves hereditary material in the form of DNA strands and also stores RNA and proteins in the nucleolus. It performs the function of transcription, where mRNA is produced to generate proteins. The nucleolus generates ribosomes, and the ribosomes are referred as protein factories. What is nucleoplasm? It is colorless semi-fluid material which contains nucleolus, chromosomes, ribonucleoprotein particles, histone proteins and all the enzymes involved in the synthesis of DNA. What is nuclear membrane? It is the outer boundary of the nucleus observed during interphase and prophase of mitosis. It disappears at the end of prophase and reappears at the end of telophase. It is made up of two membranes. You can see here these are the unit membranes having two layers of phospholipids. There is a space in between these two membranes. This is called as perinuclear space. So the two membranes are also made up of the unit membranes. What is the difference between nuclear membrane of plants and animal cells? In the case of plant cells, certain proteins are absent, whereas in animal cells there are some proteins which are extra present. What is nuclear pore complex? It is the pore in the nuclear membrane through which the substances come inside and are thrown outside. Now it can allow the particles less than 5,000 Daltons to enter. and the diameter of this pore is 10 nanometers. It is made up of more than 30 different types of proteins which are operating in a very complex mechanism, and the substances are taken in through this central transporter. And then the substances come into this nuclear basket, and then only they can enter the nucleus. When the substances have to move out, they first go into this basket and then they are removed from the inner side to the outer side. You can see here there are rings which control the opening and closing of this pore, that is the nuclear pore. Because it is made up of several proteins, a central transporter and a nuclear basket, it is called as nuclear pore complex. What is nucleolus? Nucleolus is a dense body present inside the nucleus. There may be one or more nucleoli present in the nucleus. It is a spherical, almost spherical body which is made up of proteins, DNA and RNA. It disappears during cell division and reappears during interphase. It is when it disappears, it is again reappeared due to the function of a nucleolar organizing region. Some chromosomes contain nucleolar organizing regions which are responsible for the appearance and disappearance of the nucleolus. What are the functions of nucleolus? Nucleolus plays an important role in synthesis of proteins, production of ribosomes, production of ribosomal RNA, and disease and stress responses. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are thread-like structures found in eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, it is circular with both the ends fused. That is, we call it circular chromosome. Like in the case of bacteria, there is a highly coiled circular chromosome. They were first discovered by Strasburger in 1875. Now these chromosomes, as I told you earlier, are highly coiled during interphase, and it is called as chromatin network. They condense only during the cell division stage. You can only see the arms of the chromosome during cell division stage. Now, what are these chromosomes made up of? These chromosomes are made up of histone proteins and DNA. You can see these knot-like structures around which the DNA is coiled. The regions where the proteins are having coilings of DNA appears darker under microscope, and where there is no histone protein, that region appears lighter under microscope. So like this, there are several thousands of these knot-like structures present in the chromosome. What is the difference between nucleus and nucleolus? Nucleus is the larger body. It is a smaller body present inside the nucleus. It is bounded by nuclear envelope and it has no limiting membrane. It contains chromosomes. It does not hold any chromosome. It is rich in DNA, which is the genetic material. It is rich in RNA and it synthesizes ribosomes. Thank you.